Hey Indiegogo, it's Lofree. You probably remember our previous crowdfunding project. We have raised over $700,000 from supporters across 107 countries. It's thrilling to see its popularity. We take your opinion seriously, and we have incorporated your desired elements into our upcoming wireless keyboard. We present Lofree 4 Seasons, a wireless keyboard with Apple's layouts. A design for those who strive for quality and style. Whether you're a designer, writer, or gamer, Lofree will add a touch of glamour to your personal style. We continue to adopt the singular spherical round keycaps design, together with a well-chosen Gateron blue switch, resulting in less forceful typing and provide a refined tactical feel as a dated typewriter. We've remapped the keys on 4 Seasons, keycaps fonts, and its color, in the hope of highlighting the vitality of Lofree while serving a practical purpose. Lofree 4 Seasons supports Mac, iOS, Windows, and Android, and up to 3 devices can be connected via Bluetooth. The simple configuration allows you to get connected without the hassle of messy cords. Lightweight and features 3-level LED backlit illuminated and auto sleep mode. There is no more struggling with the battery life. And its elegant design captures people's attention right away. Lofree 4 Seasons, a keyboard we take pride in, embracing the color of your life.